Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Alan.
Morning, mate. How was your weekend?
It was all right, thanks. I didn't really do much. I met a few friends for a drink on Saturday, and then on Sunday I watched the football.
Oh, it was a horrible game, wasn't it?
Oh, guys, please don't start this football rant. I heard enough complaining from my partner.
It was a dreadful game. I'm honestly thinking about supporting another team.
I always knew you were a glory hunter, Alan.
What's a glory hunter?
A glory hunter is someone who only likes and supports winning teams.
I'm not actually going to switch teams. The team just makes me so angry sometimes.
I don't know why you guys let a game ruin your mood so much.
It's not a game.
Anna, don't disrespect the sport like that, please.
I feel like I'm talking to my partner right now. You football hooligans all sound the same.
Now you sound like my partner. She gets so mad at me for being angry when we've lost the game.
We're just passionate. Gosh, they complain when we're nonchalant about things, and when we're passionate, they complain too. We can't win, Alan.
It sounds like you and your team have something in common.
Good one. Okay, we'll shut up about it. How was your weekend, Anna?
Yes, we won't speak about it anymore. Until the next game, of course. Anna, did you get up to anything fun at the weekend?
Yes, it was great, thank you. The weather was good, so my partner and I went to the beach on Saturday.
Oh, that sounds nice. The weather has been great recently, hasn't it?
It really has. Let's hope it lasts.
I think we're meant to be having a heat wave next week.
I think it's going to be good weather this week too.
It was a bit chilly this morning, but it looks nice outside now. Hopefully the weather will be better later so I can have my lunch outside today.
There is nothing worse than a cold morning.
What did you get up to on the weekend, Max?
Oh, the same old. I tidied my flat. It was a state. I went to my mum's for a Sunday roast, and before I knew it, it was Monday morning again.
The weekends go so quickly, don't they?
It was as if I blinked and the weekend was over.
Whoever made this 5-day working week schedule needs to be fired.
You're absolutely right. I could have done with one extra day to relax this weekend.
Me too. I'm so tired this morning.
Tell me about it. I barely got any sleep last night.
Mondays really are the hardest days. I still need to wake up a bit. I'm exhausted too.
I'll go and make us all a coffee.
That would be great, thanks, mate.
Alan, you're a star. Thank you.
I feel slightly more awake now.
This coffee is lovely.
I have to say, Alan, you've gotten better at making them.
Working in an office will do that to you.
It's true. Working in an office will also have you drinking coffee non-stop. I never used to drink as much coffee as I do now.
I used to hate coffee actually. I had to force myself to like it because I needed something to keep me awake.
I have about 4 cups of coffee a day.
Me too, it's so bad.
4 cups a day? That's way too much.
I am addicted to coffee. I can't go a day without it.
I don't feel awake if I don't have my morning coffee. Anna, how many cups of coffee do you have a day?
2. 1 in the morning to wake me up. Then I have my second one after lunch to carry me through the rest of the day.
I wouldn't survive on 2 a day. I need at least 2 in the morning.
I should really cut down on how much coffee I drink. Too much caffeine isn't good.
You should try switching to tea. Green tea is a good choice.
I hate the taste of green tea.
Maybe I should try it. It has some really good health benefits too.
It really does. Maybe I should cut down on my coffee intake too. How about we all do it together?
I will not be joining you two on that endeavor.
Oh, come on, at least give it a try.
It will be fun. If we all do it together, we can hold each other accountable.
It won't be fun at all. How about I hold you two accountable?
Yeah, I don't think fun is the right word. Have you not heard of caffeine withdrawals?
I was just trying to get Alan in the spirit to do it. With the amount of coffee you both drink, the withdrawal symptoms will be awful.
That is exactly why I don't want to do it. Work is already hard enough to get through. If I do it, I'll have to get through work with a headache. No, thank you.
You're putting me off this idea now.
Fine, don't do it. Do what you want. Suit yourself.
Speaking of suits, Alan, is that a new suit you're wearing?
It is indeed.
It suits you. No pun intended.
Pun? What's a pun?
You know what a pun is, Max. A pun is a joke that plays on words that sound the same or have more than one meaning to be funny.
Ah, yes. His suit suits him. Sorry, Anna, it's Monday. My mind doesn't function that well at the beginning of the week. I absolutely do know what a pun is. I was just having a Monday morning moment.
Yes, exactly. His suit looks good on him and fits him well. When I said, no pun intended, I meant I wasn't purposely trying to make a wordplay joke. It just so happens that the word, suit, has more than one meaning.
Thank you, Anna. I appreciate the pun too.
Oh gosh, these emails are really piling up.
I should really get to work now.
Me too. I should put this new suit to work.
I'll see you guys at lunch.
That's if I'm still working here by lunchtime.
I'm sure you won't do anything between now and lunchtime to get yourself fired.
Who said anything about me getting fired? I might decide to do a runner.
Don't tempt me. These emails are making me want to run away and never look back.
I might join you both.
You would never.
You wouldn't want to get your new suit dirty.